Empanifo se abon de jakwa yenya anokwa enwa ana beka kire say lady now odidi Otumfuo atem na we pa achew barabusia comedian so a amanfo kire say there be gay she must be dealt with achew pano any ink she must be dealt with me wan chiri bu no akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say any dey mo obe like video no other mo subscribe button subscribe like notification con updates update na be kire wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section so ba so a no actually for enya bia hwe you know bokonta wantan Edward manager Otumfuo ko trans edi yi ekotu Otumfuo trans service ekope absem no pumasi bre edi yi atu yi eme ko ba se na ahye diga on free boko ho no mo enfiri ho enko ema Otumfuo ka se wi ne excellence eta Otumfuo asem no kan achi ema omusuma soldiers for ekoti na ahye diga ase efiri boko ekotu na ahye diga ase efiri boko edo no ekoye na eno ana anya emali bi de because of that no lady way ebe kasama kakasa twitwe etia sebe ya chiame odi a chiame nim ebe twitwi form ema enra obepa ho achew.
Assalamu alaikum. On the 25th of December 2025 I made a video concerning the Bawku issues, and out of emotions I said certain things that was against the president and then Otumfuo, which I retract my words and I apologize. I'm sincerely sorry for what I said in the videos. And with Bawku issue, let's embrace peace and make peace reign in Bawku. Thank you.
Now it's an achopper no. I'm over just there be. Won't me share them so come and to so get kan kwasi asem. Now you are cast over pacho. It will which they say this lady must be dealt with. She must be punished severely.
All right, I've said this times without number, sir. Me, every day, partner, sir, no, who, sir, Obiejim, Namdi Nyansa to every run I dream, I'm not access with Jimmy. To be honest with you, Obia. I've seen this video, like a video, man, mention Mr. Wadarma, like a video, man. Madam, as a youth, now, unim, oyoba, and I don't want to go hard on you. Me sa boko ne kusasi issue no se sebi previasa se sebi previasa tie ni se sebi previasa pe bebi aga na eko ene pe de wiase eko no senka people like you our platform people like you etumi e bold etwe friends a camera esi enim na nka wo kan sema na nka me nim se wo be kan sema nyansa any adwen wom because you are a youth. Oh yeah, youth, oh yeah, babuna fe na woba. And if there will not be peace in Bawku, who cares? Me, a coming kwa, kunukweni ye John Dramani mama, 7th president, any Euro Otumfuo, Nkonyam, Namunkum, Namun womb fio, F00LISH way. And then sometimes ye Jimmy to that extent, ye answer to form ye Titia, so then ye Jimmy sir. Again, ye Jimmy sir, baby, we are saying, what is meant there will be no peace? What is in Tokwani Adieno? Bawku, any kusas in a year canoe, 7 previous and Kajino Kwaye Juma, developing Papa Ben. Let's be honest with ourselves. Development Ben and the walk Bawku Kusasio, development Papa Ben. What is the living there? You guys are not thinking right. This is the timer. This is not tribalism, but we need to speak the truth to power.
There will not be peace in Bawku. I am saying this and saying it again. There will not be peace in Bawku. Come for me. I am waiting and ready for you. Come for me, because there will not be peace in Bawku. On the 23rd of December, that night you sent military to Bawku. And you didn't send them anywhere. You sent them to the town, Natenga, and arrested people. Not only Natenga, inside Bawku township. You arrested people. Random people are there doing their things, minding their business, and they were arrested. Up to now, our brothers are still there. They didn't do anything wrong. My brother was standing there to buy something from the shop. You came and picked him up. He spent, that's almost, how many days at the police cells there? What did he do wrong? Because of power. You are in power, and you have promised Kusasis to do all this for them, and you are really delivering your promise. Wow. King Promise. You have really delivered your promise. As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He is a greedy person. What you have said in Bawku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Asante region? You are in Asante region, but you rule Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed. Greed. We have been quiet for so long. JM, shame on you. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you. You think it's all about power. People had power more than you. Where is Rollins today? Were you powerful than Rollins? Rollins was powerful. Where is he today? 6 feet. Today, I sit here and I tell you that I am proud of myself. I am proud of the Mampurugu youth. Because today, the Kusasis are not able to fight us. It is government that is fighting us now. Kusasis are not able to fight us. Look at the number of Mampurusis in Bawku. The Kusasis claim to be few, but they couldn't fight us. Now it is government. JM is fighting us for the Kusasi. JM is out here to fight us for the Kusasi. Here, Mama Yarga. They have come out now to fight us. Government has come out to use the military to fight Mampusi, and I'm proud of that. I am proud that it is not the Kusasis who were able to remove Bawku Naba from Bawku. I am proud that Bawku Naba was not removed by the Kusasis. It is the government, the NDC government, that is removing Nasherga from Bawku, and it is not Kusasis. Because Kusasis were not able to stand us. Kusasis can never do what JM is doing now. JM is using politics to fight for Kusasis in Bawku because of 00. Election is coming. Northeast. Do you think Kusasis are more than Northeast? You will get the 00 in Northeast. Inshallah, we are all here. We are not rushing.
Ade papa be na wo no. Bawku ni Kusasis no abegina on ma. Why when you basana all day kasano as oba as a young lady like you, Virginia Ujimi. And no. Ade papa be na wo. Se bi mpediasa. Anya bia no ye te komu a se school for teacher training for ye post you ba Bawku any Kusasis no be e person reject no be e ko se ye momo de fa nto ba bi foforo. Anya bia no Bawku ni Kusasis no mo hospital se kolebu mo hospital se konfanochi ebisi wo no ma nka no so ba bua ko mo ye nipa mo so ye nipa mo so mo jagina mu enti enema pa other regions ni nya no mo so nya bia nka ye ana me bo nka mo nya bia ye nka development wo no ma nka ye some Penyah school apapa wo other regions no ebi wo ho no ma nka ye teachers apapa wo other regions the doctors apapa wo other regions no say ye transfer bi bo ho e no mo nyina na be ye djuma akomam e wo ho no ma nka Penyah ye. This is what you guys need to think of. This is what you guys need to think of. Because of development, that is why you Otumfuo, first John Dramani Mama Campbell said no, there should be peace so that the land and as a regional and as a chrono able to be developed. As a youth, what about John can kwase asem can Jimmy Sam. Me say, me mo pa mo ntin o na yo ba ntwetwo na mo nkonkom ho e fo bi obey. Ha? Wo so fast one dey, wo so fast one dey, Jimmy. And then ye Jimmy sir. And then ye Jimmy sir. Bibia tribalism. Bibia ye ntia wase. Ye woman aka ye danta. There's nothing. Bibi at the papa bia no my buy ye friends ye regime. At papa bia no my way assassin so. Into the bia no ye dream Jimmy. Ye dream Jimmy. Ye dream Jimmy. And I you Otumfuo ye greedy. You Otumfuo ye. So feel say you Otumfuo ye greedy. I'm telling you this because of you guys. Woo. Say Jimmy na mo Jimmy no. Say mo feel someone tia. Me say e ka me nkwan koma mpanyin jamu. Muntinsi Bawku ne Kusasis ho. Muncheche mu nuo sem. Sa akwase nuo na ebi mo agege na omu di Jimmy no. Muncheche sa nuo sem no na munkunkum ho emfo bia ho. Munkunkum mo pa muntwaja nto asase nim. Enhyehye adan ho nyina. Eye mo amasema. then or mine ye pay development, ye pay peace, and then you pay Jimmy sa. Eh, Mama Sama. You guys should think of the fact that I never say, obey a doctor, professional doctor, ye transfer the Bawku, ye transfer the Kokusasia, obe kase, ye say you feel. Teacher Papa Beno. Huh? Teacher Papa Beno, I don't Kagana, a Kagana. If you can't be a seven pediasa, development a war Ashanti region, the war a fence other regions. If you are Greater Accra, and if you are first central region, it can be one can ye. Can be Honoman, can ye, Kesafata, Musumi Nipa. Musumi Nipa. It's high time people should see you guys. When you say, near come credit them. But Jim Badbenyan Safo, Kusasi, any Bokono, at the assessor, there should be peace. Was Sukono Ma when in Basawi, Abetron, Babisia, when you're doing, Abrabon, what school look what you instead of you to think, instead of you to have a vision, Jane Young son, much one a Jimmy, and there won't be any peace. There won't be any peace at raw naked. To see a bontain, never second war, and I just two never cum. Jimmy, F00 way. Huh? F00 way. A chick of it.
Good morning. I'm so excited this morning. I'm so excited for one thing. You see, when Bawku issue started, I've been watching. I've never made a video concerning Bawku issue. I've never commented any on someone post. I've been watching them, observing them to see the end. And now I've seen one. I woke up this morning and I went to TikTok. The first thing I saw is this girl, this Mampusi girl called Rafia, living in Tamale. I saw her video apologizing. You see, at first, this girl can disrespect. This girl can disrespect. She lack home training. She lack manners. She can insult anybody. She insult others. Insult anybody that come out to talk about Bawku issues against Mampusis. This girl can insult you. First, I thought this girl was a stone that can never be cracked. I thought she was a stone that can never break into pieces. Nothing can harm her. Nothing can make her. I don't know how to even put it. I thought this girl was so brave that she's not afraid of anybody. She can never apologize to anybody. You see this girl, Hey, if you saw her video, she even turned the comment section off because people will come for her. I was so happy when I was watching her. Like when I was watching her video of apologizing, I was having this happiness in me that I've never seen it. I've never experienced it. I've never felt it. This happiness. I was just happy and I was just smiling. It's like I was mad. The way she was apologizing, she was so calm, saying, 2025, this December, this day, I made a statement. The words I used, I withdraw them, and I'm sorry. Thank you. The way she said thank you. When her videos, she never mentioned thank you. She never even said sorry to anybody, those that she insults. Like, you see, she was having people that were backing her because she knew the Bawku issues. If she insult anybody, nobody can come for her. If they even came for her, she have people that will defend her. Not Otumfuo. Not Otumfuo. Let me tell you, not Otumfuo. You are even lucky that you are in Tamale. You are not in Kumasi or anywhere. If not that, by now, by now you won't see 2026. It was a few days for us to enter 2026, and you were there misbehaving, calling Otumfuo names. Hey, that Otumfuo is a greedy. Otumfuo is what and what. Insult. You can insult the president the way you want, how you want it, but the president will not say anything. But you see Otumfuo, if he insults Otumfuo, Otumfuo will not say anything, but his people will take action. Do you remember this guy when they were doing the Ohima funeral and they gave an order that this time around they don't want to see anybody outside, and this guy insulted the Otumfuo? Did you see what they did to him? Did you see what they did to him? They beat him very well till he finally died later on. That's what they would have done to you if you were in Kumasi or anywhere. You are lucky. Just small arrest, and the arrest you came and were just shaking, shivering. That I'm sorry. Hey, I thought you were a stone that can never be cracked or can never be broken into pieces. Rafia, is that you? I was so happy. I was so happy. Rafia, you see your end. Say you don't want peace. There will never be peace in Bawku. Who are you? Are you God to say there will never be peace in Bawku? Sometimes you always speak like you don't have any common sense in your brain. Sometimes you are speaking that you don't think. So are you happy seeing people die, innocent people dying every blessed day? You are happy seeing them die. You are happy seeing them die. Like, I don't know. This is my first time of making a video concerning about Bawku issues. I'm not talking even about Bawku issues, about those who were like putting fire for the fight to go on, the war to go on. You don't want peace. Everybody want peace. Who don't want peace? You yourself, even in your relationship, you want peace. Your personal life, you want peace. And you don't want peace to reign in Bawku. You are happy seeing people die, innocent people die, children die, old people die. You are happy. You are happy. Me, I've never in my life, I'm always worried about the issue. Every blessed day, even going to sleep, waking up from sleep, my prayer was peace reign in Bawku. I've never supported anybody, but I wanted peace to reign in Bawku. But those who were insulting elders, and hey, Rafia, this is your end. You are very lucky that you are able to even live to see 2026. You are very lucky. You see, you have to thank God. Thank God that you are alive today to see 2026. They even arrest you and leave you. They didn't beat you. They didn't touch you. Just arresting you, keke. You have repented. You have changed. You have turned to a new leaf. Why didn't you turn your comment section on? Hey, Rafia. Hey, I'm so happy. You slept with one girl. The one Ajia what that will also insult people. You also can either you remain in abroad where you are, is it Germany or where you remain there, never come home, because if you come home it's the same thing. Rafia 10 is even small. Rafia 10 is even small. Your own will be worse. Rafia, you are lucky. You are very lucky. You are even lucky that Asante people didn't meet you in person. If not that, by now you have been like, I don't know what you are like. By now your body will be like, you'll be like by now I don't even know how to describe how you'll be feeling if the Asante people meet you in person. Thank your God. Thank your God, Rafia. Thank your God and learn how to respect elders. You are coming, you get married and you give birth. Your children will disrespect you more than what you disrespect other parents and elders. Rafia, we want peace, oh. Everybody want peace. We want peace in Bawku. He said there will never be peace in Bawku. Learn to appreciate things. Learn to also pray for peace in Bawku. It will be good for all of us. Who don't want peace? Hey. Rafi, are you the one to apologize? Rafi, are you the one apologizing? Rafia, are you the one apologizing? Hey, I don't even know what to say. Oh. Let me arrest my case. Oh. I'm just back. I'm just passing by. I'm just passing by. Oh, Rafia.
So the word your mom, they will comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media, Agra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!